How to fix Facebook featured highlights photo not showing? Follow this guide. First, open your device settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on apps. Then select manage app to access the list of installed applications. Now click on the search bar at the top and type in Facebook. Then select it from the search result. Once inside the Facebook app settings, click on Clear Data. From the option that appears, choose Clear Cache. This will remove the temporary files that might be causing the glitches. Moreover, confirm the action when prompted. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen and reopen the Facebook app. Then tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. Next, click on the 3 horizontal dots beside the Advertise button. Now choose Turn off Professional mode. Finally, hit Continue to confirm the change. Lastly, hit the Turn off button. By following these steps, you now know how to fix Facebook feature highlights photo not showing.